So the question is how long the implants last. I tell my patient this is one of the most common questions that gets asked in my office all the time, because implants is what we do all the time. So I tell my patients, this is the exact same answer I give every single patient. Implant lasts for a lifetime, but I complete the sentence by saying implants last for a lifetime as long as you take good care of them. So the good thing is implants don't get cavities because they are metal. Implants don't get root canals because they are metal. However, implants can get some gum disease around them just like your regular teeth. So if you are not going to take good care of those implants by professional cleanings and brushing and flossing around the implants, you may not get cavities or root canal, but you will end up getting some gum disease around the dental implants. And whenever you get some gum disease, you get some bone loss. As you know, you probably lost a tooth because you had some gum disease to begin with, and that's the reason why you're going to end up having the implant anyway. And if you're going to repeat the same habits by not brushing or flossing or not going to the dentist for a professional cleaning every 3 to 6 months, then you may end up losing the implant for the same reason. So to answer your questions, implants do last for the lifetime as long as you take good care of them.